Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal peanut butter cookies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line baking sheets with parchment paper. Next, gather all your ingredients. You'll need creamy peanut butter, softened butter, both brown and granulated sugars, large eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, all-purpose flour, and rolled oats. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine the creamy peanut butter, softened butter, and both brown and granulated sugars. Beat these together until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, and a small pinch of salt. It's time to bring it all together. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Then, gently fold in the 2 cups of rolled oats until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Using a spoon or a small cookie scoop, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto your prepared baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, let your delicious oatmeal peanut butter cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Proper cooling ensures they maintain their perfect texture. For easy cleanup after baking, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Store your fully cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.